Hello friend, this is me Vijay Shrestha. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to channel. Your one subscribe is more motive for me. Thank you. Now I am going to start a new tutorial about Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel tutorial provides basic and advanced concept of Excel. This tutorial is for beginners and professionals. Microsoft Excel is a computer application program written by Microsoft, and it mainly comprises tabs, group of commands and worksheet, and it is mainly used to store tabular data. This MS Excel tutorial includes all topics of MS Excel such as the ribbon and tabs, quick access toolbar, mini toolbar, buttons, worksheet, data manipulation, formatting, function, formula, VLOOKUP, pivot table, VBA macro and more. Now let's discuss about Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is one of the most suitable spreadsheet functions that helps us manage data, create optically logic charts, and throw the provoking graphs. Microsoft Excel is supported by both Mac and PC platform, and it can also be used to balance checkbook, create an expense document, build formulas and edit them. And it mainly comprises tabs, groups of commands and worksheet. And the worksheet is nothing but it is made of rows and columns. And there will be also Microsoft Office button, ribbon and quick access bar. These three are main feature of Excel that you need to focus on while learning Excel. Now let's discuss about the feature of Excel. There are several features that are available in Excel to make our tasks more manageable. Some of the main features are auto sum, list, autofill, auto shapes, wizard, charts, pivot table, shortcut menus. Okay, now let's discuss the features in brief. First of all, auto sum. Auto sum helps us to aid the contents of the cluster of adjacent cells. And next is list autofill. List autofill automatically develops cell formatting when a new component is added to the end of a list. Next is autofill. Autofill features allow us to quickly fill cells with a repetitive or sequential record, such as chronological dates of numbers and repeated documents. Autofill can be used to copy function. We can also alter text and numbers with these features. So next is auto shapes. Auto shapes toolbar will allow us to draw some geometrical shapes, arrows, flowcharts, items, stars and more. And with these shapes we can draw our graph. And next is wizard. Wizard guides us to work effectively while we work by displaying several helpful tips and techniques based on what we are doing. Drag and drop features will help us to reposition the record and text by simply dragging the data with the help of the mouse. Next feature is chart. These features will help us in presenting a graphical representation of our data in the form of pie, bar, line charts and more. And next is pivot table. Pivot table flips and sums data in seconds and allow us to execute data analysis and generating documents like periodic financial statement, statistical documents, etc. We can also analyze complex data relationships graphically. And the last one is shortcut menus. Shortcut menus commands that are appropriated to the function that we are doing occur by clicking the right mouse button. And the next is we will learn how to open MS Excel. I'm doing Excel 2010 version in this tutorial. There are 3 different ways to open Excel. First one is right click on your desktop, go to new tab, and you will see Microsoft Excel worksheet here. Click on here and your worksheet file open here, and this is your worksheet file. Double click on Excel file and this is your Microsoft Excel. Okay, this is one way to open your Microsoft Excel, and the another way is search bars Excel. This is your search bar. Type here Excel and your Microsoft Excel is here. Click on here. It's open now. This is your Microsoft Excel. Third way to open your Microsoft Excel. Click on Win R together and type here EXCEL Excel and click on OK, and this is your Excel. Now let's discuss about Excel interface. After starting Excel, we will see 2 windows, one within the other. The outer window is application window and the inner window is workbook window. When maximized, the Excel workbook window composite in with the application window. Let's identify the application window. This is quick access toolbar, and this is command group, and this is the ribbon, and this A1, this is name box, and this is formula bar, and here at the bottom these are the worksheet view option. Okay, and this is zoom control. Now let's identify the workbook window. This is cell, and this 1 to 3 were number, that is called row ABCD. This is called column, and in sheet 1, sheet 2 these are worksheets, and these are vertical and horizontal scroll bar. Now let's discuss about application window. The application window provides the space for our worksheets and workbook item, so click here to minimize the ribbon. Okay, or you can click Control F1. Shortcut key is Control F1 to hide the ribbon, and to show the ribbon, click Expand Ribbon command at the top of the screen. Click here. The ribbon will be expanded. Here cell C1 is selected and 2000 entered into the formula bar. Click the File tab on the ribbon. The back steps view will emerge. Here, this is info. Info contains information about the current workbook. You can also inspect the workbook and set protection control. And this is new. You can create a new blank workbook or choose from a large selection of template. And this is open. You can open recent workbooks as well as workbooks saved to your OneDrive or on your computer. Use Save and Save as to save your workbook to your computer or to Office 365. This is print. You can set the print setting and print your workbook. You can also see a preview of your workbook, and this is option. You can change various Excel options. For example, you can control the quick analysis performances auto recover settings or language preferences, and this is exist tab. And this is a save and send. You can send using email, and you can send directly to the web, and you can save as a file type. You can create your one PDF or XPF document. You can change your file type also. And this is your worksheet views. This one is normal views. This is page layout views, and the last one is page break view. And here this is zoom control. To use a zoom control, click and drag a slider, the number to the right of the slider reverse the zoom percentage. Okay friends, this is all about this tutorial. We will discuss about MS Excel workbook in next video. If you like this video and want to learn more about MS Excel, like, comment and share. Have a great day. Bye.